Okay, so let's try now column renaming. As simple as clicking in the column and changing it to rename 1, and ta-da, our column is renamed. We can order them and move them like this for our convenience. This is useful basically when we have many columns and we want to have at front the ones that we're checking right now because we're planning on filtering. That's column. We can specify filters here too when we have categorical data or range data, for example, calendar data. We can add date time filters. That's an important detail that we didn't cover earlier. If we have a numeric, we can use number filters like greater than, and it's very intuitive. I'm not gonna go one by one because it really is really intuitive. What else? That's right, sorting the columns by ascending or descending order. This is actually quite an important transformation, as silly as it looks like. Remember that here we're modifying a query that we're going to make a request to the database or the data source. So adding more transformations affect speed. Do it at your own risk, right? Basically, those are some basic transformations. Another stuff that is really cool, it's capitalizing. Let's do that. Basically, if we go to a string type of data, we right click and we click transform, we can do some pretty cool stuff. Uppercase would transform all the data into an uppercase, well, lowercase to lowercase. Capitalize each word. We'll just make the first letter of each word be uppercase. Trim and clean. Basically what we're going to do is remove extra spaces. This is what trim does. And clean removes non-printable characters. So that's useful when we want to have the data in a particular format for whatever reason. JSON and HTML, basically what we're going to do is transform JSON code into readable strings, and or HTML code into readable strings. I don't have JSON examples here, but basically it's just clicking the text like this. It gives an error. If I had a JSON information over there, it would give it as a string. Maybe if we do it with a URL, let's try it out with the HTML. I don't think it's going to work, but I mean, let it not be for trying. No, it doesn't work, of course. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. And string transformations. We have other transformations also in regarding to other data types. For example, number. We have other transformations like we can round the data, absolute value, factorial, and math stuff. Yeah, cool, right? What do we have in data transformations? Can transform it to a particular time frame. I don't recommend working with this so much because usually what we do is when we have date data, we create date tables and we connect to them. And that's usually more effective than just transforming this, right? It's more effective to connect to a date table and using the information from the date table in the format that we need it, right? But well, it's good to know that we have it. And that's it for data transformations. Hope you like it.